Hi there, and today a simple trick to help you with your electronic testing with the aid of a solderless breadboard. This white piece in the center, which allows you to plug in things without soldering and testing them. Very useful kit. In this example, I'm just testing this little circuit on the bottom. My power supply is pink from the top, and it's just connecting things with this breadboard without having to solder things. It usually comes with little cables like these to plug in different things together. And how it works, well, quite simply, each rows are interconnected, but columns are not connected. So for one row, all the points are connected electronically, but the columns are not. In my example, just testing this remote controlled little kit thing I plugged in with power source and a light bulb. Thanks for watching, and if you liked it, please subscribe.